And that's the last time I saw my penis, although there have been recent sightings near Helsinki. Anyway, how's your penis doing, Judy?
I don't actually have a penis, Tom. I'm a woman.
Fascinating.
Isn't it just?
And now we go live to some fridge ghosts.
I think that the rights of the cryogenically inclined undead should extend to all areas of the refrigerator, including the dairy compartment.
Well, I just feel that these living types need to really accept the fact that we've chosen our existence in the fridge. I mean, it's cool, baby. Besides, they're going to die one day too, aren't they?
I'm on TV!
Does he slut? Pancake. Yeah, pancake. That sounds good. I'm gonna fuck you raw later. Well, I suppose if I'm honest, this is probably punishment for doing all that coke when I was pregnant. Yeah, probably shouldn't have put the baby in the freezer.
Tom, what the bloody hell have I just seen just now?